What is going on, everyone? So this is Charlie, and this is a new video for the channel. So I will be doing automation in Excel. So yeah, I have a task here that is very tedious. As you can see, we have multiple LOBs, or project, as well as sites. So the task would be to enter these scheduled hours as well as the unplanned hours to this MS Form or Microsoft Forms. So unfortunately, that will be very tedious, especially if you're doing it for multiple days. In this case, we have 27 that has scheduled hours. The other entries would be 0 because they're either closed or no staff. So in this case, we will be using Visual Basic. So this is the code that I'm using. Now this has been coded from the ground up, but there was codes that was gathered from Google, which is our friend. For example, this declaring the object for getting the clipboard data, as well as manipulation on the clipboard as well. And we have sleep, which would allow us to wait for milliseconds, because I believe that the default wait for application, the minimum is only 1 second. So yeah, that's actually enough of that. Let's go ahead and jump into the automation demonstration. So in this case, all I have to do is click on this arrow, and then
starting in 5, 4,
all I have to do is click this
3,
or highlight
2,
this so that
1,
it would be the starting point. So,
2,
yeah.
3.
As you can hear, the AI is counting.
4, 5.
Not really AI, but
6,
I like to call
7,
it that. So
8.
You can see that the timestamp only has seconds
9,
delay.
10, 11,
so this is not a manipulated or edited video
12,
to be faster.
13.
So this is live or
14,
in real time
15.
Automation. So
16, 17.
So have 20,
18,
I believe.
19,
26,
20,
or 27,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Completed all 27 of 36.
Alright, perfect. So in this case, I am not allowed to show you the client as well as the project name for privacy purposes, since I'm still employed. I mean, even if I'm not employed anymore, so this is for privacy purposes. But anyways, you can see the point here. So basically, this tedious task has turned into just a very easy one. So yeah, definitely it's also more accurate because it looks up the values, combination of the location, project name, as well as the agent type, which we have two. We have work at home as well as in-center or the brick and mortar agents. So yeah, definitely this helps me in my daily task. This is going to save time as well as provide a more accurate report submission. So yeah, that's it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you need the code, I'll post the link in the description so that you can explore the code yourself. But keep in mind that this has been created, or have created this code for this purpose. So if you have other form, you would have to analyze this and create one yourself. But yeah, definitely hope this video was helpful to you, and have a great day.